Okay guys, so I'm trying to show you the squeaky noise, and of course I can't. So the plan for today is to replace this guide pulley right there, and then we need to replace the belt tensioner as well, just because, you know, we're here and, you know, we already got the time to remove the belt, you know, replacing the belt as well. I guess I forgot to say that again. But basically, if you guys have a squeaky belt, which again for some reason I can't mimic, you know, this belt here, I don't know what's the problem, but yeah. So if you guys have a squeaky belt and you guys are trying to figure out, is it the belt or is it one of the pulleys, what it is, well, let me show you a real easy trick to do that. So the idea is get a little bit of a water and then just spread first on top of the pulleys where we're gonna basically make the belt wet, like right there, and we're gonna hear and we're gonna listen. I mean, you guys hear that? So the belt obviously is due. When you spread like that, and you guys can hear the squeaky noise. And then on top of it, I have one of the pulleys that's being bad, but again right now, like, I don't know what's going on, but I can't really show you. But it's this guy right there, and the belt tensioner, you know, I'm gonna replace that one since I'm gonna replace this pulley since I'm here. Everything else here is replaced. You know, again, I'm not a sponsor or anything, but all my pulleys on this engine came out from FCP Euro, and now replacing the last two belt tensioner and my last pulley. Now from that point over, these pulleys and belt tensioners, everything becomes the lifetime warranty. So when those goes bad, I'll just buy a brand new pulley and a brand new belt tensioner, send the old ones back to the FCP Euro to diagnose and see what causes the problem, and, you know, basically get your refund back. Super easy. Again, if you guys want to go to AutoZone or all of those other shops, you guys are more than welcome. I'm just saying what I did, you know. So okay, for the purpose, we're gonna need, of course, a new belt. This is the number that I'm using for this belt. Then top right corner, you guys can see, I hope you guys can see that. Let me focus so I can give you guys the numbers, and if you guys want to order them, you guys can order them from wherever place you guys want. So right, let me see if I can focus for you guys. There you go. You guys see, this is one of the pulleys that I'm replacing. Then right here we have the belt tensioner, again, number and everything. If you guys want to order them, or if you guys need to order them, if you guys need numbers. And then we're gonna use a number 17 millimeters, and then 10 millimeters you know, basically. And then this guy right here is 7/16. And I'm gonna show you where we're gonna use all of that. It's pretty easy job, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so the first thing that we need to do is to loosen the belt and remove the belt. So to be able to do that, we guys gonna use the 17 millimeters. This is the belt tensioner. We're gonna put it right here, and then we're gonna get it up. And when we get it up, I'm gonna slide this Allen wrench right here, right underneath. So this right now is holding the spring inside and it's making a tension on the belt. This is how we're gonna do this. It's going to be a little bit tricky, but if I can do it, you guys can do it. Boom! So now the belt is loose. Hope you guys can see that. So now let's remove the belt. Perfect. Belt is out. Now next thing is I'm gonna replace this pulley right here, which is this guy right here. So for this guy we're gonna use, I believe it was a 7/16. Boom. 7/16. I mean, this one doesn't look that bad, but like I said, since I'm here, I'm gonna replace it. So make sure when you guys remove that, make sure, because now there is a metal flakes that fell out onto the pulley underneath it. Make sure that that is clean. Okay guys, now we're gonna put it back. I'm gonna use a little bit of a blue thread lock, just a little bit. Okay guys, so the torque spec for this pulley right here is 25 Newton meters, kind of like hand tight. Okay, now next thing is to remove these two bolts. Those two bolts are way over there, so for that purpose we're gonna use the number 10. So let's get to it. Okay, for the purpose, like I said, number 10, and then I have this 45-ish, 30 degrees maybe swivel. So that's gonna help us to get way closer inside, and then get an angle as well if we need to. Okay guys, so got it out. So this one is the one you guys are gonna be able to see, but the one on the bottom is the one that's a little bit hard. So that one is gonna be, you know, kind of in a touch, so you're gonna have to feel it. But there you go, this is, hopefully you guys can hear it. It does have a little bit of a rattle, but not that bad, so perfect. So now we got this guy out. Now we're gonna put our in. So this is how it's gonna go in. Boom. And then again, I'm gonna use a little bit of the blue thread, you know, just in case. It doesn't hurt. It's a tricky one, but like I said, if I can do it, you guys can do it. Okay, now I believe the proper torque for these two bolts, these two right here, it's 35, which is very little. Okay, perfect. The pulley is replaced, the belt tensioner is replaced. Now, final step, let's put the belt. Okay guys, one more tip. Before you guys remove the old pulley with your Allen wrench, make sure you take your Allen wrench out before you take it out of space, because I had to screw it into the studs, and yeah, it was you know, a little bit too much. Where I just could have, you know, as soon as when you guys take the belt out, then, you know, again, make attention, take your Allen wrench out, and then take the belt tensioner out of your car. It's a lot more easier that way. Let's put it this way. Okay, so so now we're gonna put the belt, and the diagram that we're gonna use is this guy right there. So this is how it's supposed to look. So let's do it. Okay, belt is in. Apparently did it wrong. Let's do it again. Okay guys, let me show you. Boom. I don't know why I was trying to get, you know, I was getting this belt wrong, because I was running it through there and then down and over through there and then through that. So yeah, this is the one that I got confused, but that's why we have the diagram right there, and that's why we need to look at the diagram before we try to do anything. So now when everything is good to go and it's ready, let's start the car and let's see what's the results. Okay guys, make sure you guys write down your miles or kilometers and then the date. So what I did right here, this is today's date, miles, and everything. Boom, maybe. Yeah. Now let's start the car. Let's see what's the progress. There you have it guys. It is all good. It's all good in the hood. That's another success for this project. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. And I'll see you on the next one.
Yeah.
Bye.